Hey, welcome Lakeview Nation. We are going to learn how in elementary art, how to make neuropathic style art designs. And in no way am I saying that this is neuropathic art, but it is a style that's very similar to neuropathic art, and it's a lot of fun to make. So what we need is a Sharpie, and we need a blank sheet of paper. Some of you will be already using a watercolor wash paper to do this, but for now, we're just going to use a blank sheet of paper. And what I have here is my blank sheet of paper, and I'm going to take my Sharpie, and I'm going to draw myself. I'm going to get a better Sharpie, and I'm just going to start by drawing myself a line that goes woogedy through my page. There's my first one. Now I'm going to make my second one. I'm going to make up to 6 of these. They're going to cross over each other and intersect with each other. So as I'm going to pause. All right, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those lines, and they go across. Now, I'm going to show you how we're going to finish this. You're going to imagine that these are a little bit of a close-up, and you imagine you're riding a bicycle, and you're coming to an intersection in a street. Wah-de-da-de-da-de-da, and you want to take a left. So most of us don't stop at the intersection and then take a left. When we're on our bike, we have a tendency to round the corner, and that's what we're going to do. And then I fill in the gap. I'm going to come here. Now I'm going to take a right turn, and I round the gap. I'm coming this way, and I'm going to take a left turn. And then I'm going to come this way, and I'm going to take a right turn. And then I can just fill these in. And you get these little nodules or nodes, as they would be referred to in neuropathic art. And so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come here. I round my corner. My bicycle, as I come to the intersection, I round my corner. I come to my intersection, I round my corner. And I come to my intersection and I round my corner again. And then I fill in that space. I'm going to do some more and show you what it looks like as a finished product. All right, so now I have it all filled in. It's kind of looking the way that I want it to. Yeah, look at that. And I added 2 more lines. I added line 7 and I added line 8. I might even add in a line 9 that just goes like that. Just because it kind of breaks up the space and fills it in, and I create this wonderful design. Now, all we're going to worry about this week is just getting these kind of designs done. Now, we're going to try to make 2 of these. One is your first one, which is kind of be your practice one. And then as you make your second one, you're going to start to see things that you like about it and didn't like about it on your first one. And so then the second one gives you the opportunity to make things a little differently. Now, this, in a sense, represents all the motor neurons that are inside your axons and axons and dendrites and that make up your nervous system, and they're supposed to look like nerves and the way nerves come together. The lady got all bent out of shape earlier this year because I called it neuropathic art, and I did angular lines and things like that because I played around with it and did some artistic impression to it. So just so you know that this is meant to be something that is fun and enjoyable. And we're going to use color to fill these in, but we're going to use color specifically in a specific manner to fill it in. So we'll talk about that. We're going to use colored pencil. Actually, we'll use those art sticks. So, yep, here you go. This is our neuropathic art assignment that we're going to be doing with 3rd graders, 4th graders, 5th graders, and 6th graders. All right, talk to you later.